Let's do some sourcing, but with a twist. For the next 10 days, we are going to do a challenge. You and me, I mean just you, you're going to watch. I'm going to use exclusively the software, not exclusively, because of course I'm going to use other softwares, but like I'm going to source with Arbitrage Stalker as my main software for sourcing for the next 10 days, okay? Every single day I'm going to release a video going into more depth into concepts that you can use to source with Arbitrage Stalker. If you do not know what Arbitrage Stalker is, here we go. It's a software that I developed to help you source doing some storefront stalking, right? So instead of doing storefront stalking with Seller M the dumb way, you can start tracking some storefront with Arbitrage Stalker and you'll receive notifications just like this on the web app or like this on Discord. I'm sorry, whenever you receive a new lead, whenever these storefronts either add a new lead or a potential replan is detected on their storefront, right? So in the last few days, you may have seen I've been giving 1 month key for the software, 1 month free for the software here, 1 month free for the software there to a lot of people. I still need to give out a lifetime license. However, I'm not going to tell you when it drops. And I'm sorry to disappoint you, but today you will not get a 1 month key. However, I decided to switch things up a little bit. You guys know that I'm not going to give you up because I've really been giving these like another one, like DJ Khaled, but whatever. What we're going to do today, I still have a small gift for you. I said, you know what? I was against doing that, but I've seen that there's a lot of people that wanted to try out the tool, right? So here's what I'm going to do. Here's a promo code that you can use, okay, to get a 7-day free trial. All right, so why Craig David, you may ask. You may know the song 7 Days. All right, so this is where I got the inspiration. If you're an old head like a early 2000 R&B fan, you might know it. Use code Craig David to get a 7-day free trial of Arbitrage Stalker, and we're going to start the sourcing. All right. When you start, if you try the code whenever the video release, it might not be up yet because to do a free trial like this, we need to switch to tweak some things with the APIs. That's why I did not want to do it at first. But like, so if the promo code is not working just yet, this promo code is unlimited. Okay. Any number of users you want can like there's no limit. Like you know that the keys that I was giving out was one just for one guy. So I said, you know what? Let me give this as a gift. You guys, you can try the tool for 7 days. Yeah, here you go. Code Craig David. Just wait a little. If it's not working just yet, it's not that it's expired because this code is going to last. Yeah, 7 days free trial for you. If it's not working, just wait a little bit. Try in 1 hour, 2 hours. It should be up by then. Okay. All right, let's start doing some sourcing. So what we're going to do, not only we're going to source with, and let me get actually on Discord here, on this one right there, right? So what we're going to do first is we are going to use the monitor that we already have with nature-made sellers. So we used it, was it yesterday? Was it 2 days ago? There's no new leads in the replans. So we're going to use this monitor, okay? We're going to use this monitor and we are also going to add products, to add sellers to new monitors. We are going to do all this and we are going to do a little bit of both today, but that way, as the 10 days goes, we will have more leads to look at because with just one monitor, if you check it every single day, it's not enough. All right, so let's start. So let's just check out if we can find all these, because yesterday, was it yesterday or the day before, we stopped here, okay? So we checked 2 leads and this lead was actually profitable, right? But there's other leads that were found on the same day. So Amazon is apparently selling on this one. Let's just check it out. Let's just check it out. And we are going to use the Discord app exclusively. We're not really going to use the web app. I mean, yes, we're going to use it, but not for sourcing purpose. We're going to use it when we're going to add new sellers. All right. So actually, this might be interesting. So Amazon is actually not selling on this, right? It's not a replan that we found here. Amazon is not selling on this. I don't know why the green light was there, but Amazon is indeed not selling on this. All right, so we can sell this for $16.98. Let's see if we can find it on Amazon. We need to find a 3-pack under $12, which might be doable. And once again, I need to do something real quick. I need to up on my VPN. Now that I am on my VPN, let me reload. Let me reload Google, and we'll have results in the US. All right, so yeah, so we have this. Okay, so we have a 2-pack, it's not the exact same. This is a 3-pack unflavored. Is it the one that we want? It's the extra whitening that we want. Okay, so this is the one that we want, but it might be a little bit too expensive. However, there's a 36 counts on Zorro. All right, and I don't know if it looks like it's the same. And it's on CVS as well. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. So, it is indeed on Walmart. It is indeed on Walmart at $17. So it's going to be a little bit too expensive. Is it sold by Walmart themselves? It is sold by Walmart themselves. It's going to be a tiny bit too expensive. So let's skip this one. Maybe with a promo code we can make it work. This is going to be a little bit difficult. Let's move to the next one. Let's move to Zorro. I think Zorro looked promising. They're gonna believe I'm a bot. Here we go. So we have a 36 case, and let me see if it's the same size. 0.8 us. It's 4 us. Okay, so this is not going to work. This is not going to work. And then we have it on CVS, and it looks like there's a buy one get one 50% off, which is 25% off. And I think we can stack up. We can probably stack up a coupon on top of that. With pickup, we have a 20% coupon. So let me use my product calculation, and let's use card beer to try to find CVS gift cards. All right, so we can get 12.8% on CVS apparently. Okay, let me just do this. All right, on card cash, we have 12.8%, which looks really, really good. All right, so we have 12.8% gift cards. That's it. Coupons. So we have a 20% coupon and a 25% coupon. Okay, so we can use, so we have a 25 and 20, which is going to be 40%. All right, so we have a 40% coupon, pretty much. And then let's look at the cashback. Let me just check the gift cards. So yes, we do have 12.8% gift cards, okay? But we need to pick this up, which is fine. Value 3-pack for us, and we get it at $20.99. What does the cashback looks like? We get 5% on Rakuten. 12.2, so cosmetic, grocery, household. Okay, so this is going to be in personal care. Personal care. Does personal care falls into household? I have no idea. But all of the purchase, we might be able to get 10.10, but let's just use 5. Okay, let's just use 5% with Rakuten. Right there, 5% with Rakuten. And we go. So we get this at, wait, we get it at $20.99, if I'm correct. We do get it at $20.99. All right. So we get this at $20.99. And so we end up getting it at $11.88, which is, yes, which is going to be profitable. $11.88, 31% return on investment if we sell it at 24. However, it does not look like we are actually selling it at 24. Let me double check. Because seller amp is, I'm sorry, Keepa is tweaking lately with stuff like this. Let's see, let it load a little bit. Once again, while it loads, if you want to try Arbitrage Stalker, promo code Craig David. Once again, it may not be up at the time of the video release, but it's going to be the 7-day free trial code for now. All right, so Craig David, I don't know how long it's going to last. But now we have a free trial. All right, so promo code Craig David, try it out, try the tool for 7 days. Just know that the more you let the tool run, the better it gets. All right, let's get back here. So seller amp, I'm sorry, Keepa does not want to load. Let's refresh this. Let's look at the data tab and let's look at the offers. And you know what? Let me pause the video while it loads because it takes way too long. Hey, here we go. Perfect. So it does actually sell for 24. So yeah, Keepa is tweaking regarding this. It does sell at 24, even higher than that. And it's selling kind of fast. So at 24, 33, 36, and it's FBM. So if you sell FBA, you can probably sell higher than that. Let's do include historical offers and let's look only at the prime offers. And there was that guy that was selling at 27. Some guys were selling really low. But people that were selling recently were selling way higher than that. Opposite way. Here we go. So at 28, here we go. 29, yes, perfect, all right. So if we can sell at 28, 57% return on investment, great product, profitable. That's all, that's everything we want. It sells decently fast. So here we go. Is it actually the first product that we checked today? It's actually the first product that we checked today. So you see OFA, like, I literally cannot make this up. I literally cannot make this up. This is literally the first product that we check in the replan tab. Like literally, the other day we checked this product, we checked, and then I don't know if you were seeing this. Yes, you're seeing this. We checked this product, we checked the product right above it. Let me just get this card here. We checked this product, which was profitable. This product now is profitable. And it's just making your life sourcing way easier. Now, what we're going to do, since it's a great product from CVS, right? What we're going to do is we are going to create a new that we are not necessarily going to start using tomorrow, but that we are going to start using later during the week. So we are going to create a new, and there's a lot of sellers without reviews. That's fine. We are going to add a new monitor with 10 sellers from this product, since it's a profitable product, right? Let's not dig too far away. Let's not go too far away. Let's just use 10 sellers from this product. Why make it complicated? Why it can be easy, all right? So we are going to create a new monitor, all right? And we are going to name it toothpaste CVS, all right? We are going to save this. Here we go, and I actually need to add a seller, at least one seller to it. So I need to add a seller first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this seller, right, the seller ID, paste it here, add him. So ending in Q17, CVS toothpaste. Here we go, Q17, here we go. And oh yeah, and I actually need to set my, here we go. I need to set my, here we go. I need to set my monitors, and so I'm going to add 3 channels, one that is called new, one that is called replan, and one that is called out of stock. All right, so next I'm just going to set my webhooks, new webhook, oops, and so I'm going to take this one for the new channel. Here we go, new channel, boom. Out of stock channel. The out of stock channel, I'm going to do it here. Okay, out of stock, boom. Here we go. And my replan channel, which, okay, so I need to save this first. Here we go. And then my replan channel right there. I'm going to go to integration, webhooks, create webhooks, boom, Captain Hook, whatever. Replan, copy webhook, paste it here. Q17, we're gonna add this seller. Here we go, and so we have our new monitor that is going to be here. All right, that is going to be here on our Discord server, CVS Toothpaste, and we are going to start sourcing from this later on the week, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add the stores, okay, the other stores. So we had Q17, which is fine. Let's add all the other stores. So let's separate them by a comma. Here we go, by a space, I'm sorry. All right, let's add the next one. And I haven't even been selective, super selective with the stores that I'm adding. I'm just adding random storefronts, right? So, and you see, oh, like literally, if you've been watching my video for a long time, you know that the storefront that are on the other monitors were added the same way. It's not even that I've been, and Mr. Medical is a huge, I don't know if I want to add Mr. Medical, because he's a huge wholesale seller. So, but he is on a lot of really, but he's going to add too many like wholesale products. So I'm going to skip this guy. I'm going to skip this guy. I don't know if I should. I don't know if I should. No, I'm going to skip Mr. Medical. Vitabox is a huge wholesale account also from what it looks like. So I'm going to skip him. I'm going to use this one. Okay, 800 reviews, not too bad. I'm going to, but he has a lot of, you know what? You know what? Let's add him. Let's add him. Fuck it. Let's add this guy. I said that I did not want to be I did not want to look too deep into accounts. I'm just going to add these accounts and we'll work with them. And we'll see actually. We're still going to add the wholesale account and we'll see in a couple of days if it returns great products or not. This is going to be a small experiment that we're going to use. And every single day we're going to add a new monitor. So here we go. That's the monitor that we have. CVS Toothpaste. Add. Here we go. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 if you're on TikTok. Yeah. So yeah, here we go. So we found a lead already, all right, without even to dig too deep, and then we set ourselves up for success by creating a new monitor from this specific lead with new sellers, all right? So that's the way you want to think about it. And you see, I'm not even making it complicated. This video is just 17 minutes long. I already found one product. I have a new monitor, so I can do more sourcing with for the days that are going to come, right? It's as easy as that. No need to make it complicated. That's it. We just sourced in the replan, right here in the replan tab, products that have been there for a couple of days, still profitable, you know? So it's not more complicated than that, guys. It's as easy as that. We are done with the first day of this challenge. We found one lead today. Let's try to find 2 tomorrow. And it's not going to be easy because we still have a lot of, I mean, depends if replans are going to be posted on this one. Let's see if we can find 2 leads tomorrow. And let's keep going this way. All right? So, yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Get Arbitrage Stalker with code Craig David. All right. Shout out to Craig David. And I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.